Hi, you all know me. My name is Christian. Well, in case you didn't, my name is Christian. I'm not going to give out my last name just because I kind of don't want to get my identity stolen. So, I'm going to show you some Lego creations I built. So, I'm going to set my tablet down. Okay. And this one I actually did today. You can hardly see it. I actually, did this one today. It's a Jeep. So, I got this for Christmas today. Yeah. So, then this one I actually free build. I free build. What I do is I buy Legos that take instructions like this, and I play with it for a while, and then take it apart and free build with it. And there's an airplane. I got this one today too. It's a brontosaurus. And then I have this battle car. I have a forklift here. And I have a bus kind of thing going on. And then the last one of the day is this. It's kind of like an old style camper kind of thing. So, thank you for watching. Please, or I hope you enjoyed it. So, and be looking for some more videos that I make. So, peace.